Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Okay, so you've got a 360 AA, automatic door bottom, and you're saying that your neoprene seal is coming out of the aluminum drop bar extrusion. Okay.
Yeah, about 4 inches, and it's a 4-foot door.
Yeah. What side of the door is it coming out on?
The opening side, not the side with the latches, not the hinges.
That's interesting. So what you'll notice, and I've had people call me in the past and say, hey, this has been damaged. What the factories will do is they will get in there and they will crimp the aluminum extrusion. They'll pinch it so that the insert doesn't slide or come out. I've never heard of one falling out. Sliding out, yes, that's pretty common.
This is falling.
Yeah, so you'll want to pinch that a little bit, and that would be the case. But I would like you to, before you do that, send me a photograph of this so I can send it over to the manufacturer and make them aware of that.
Let me get a piece of paper and pencil to write down where I'm going to send it to.
I'm going to send you over to Corey and just ask him for my email, and he'll be able to give it to you. Stand by one moment.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.